Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome back, everyone. We are looking at Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and now that the merge is over, we can go and see if we are gonna go up or down. And right now, this whole formation is not looking that healthy. Daily candle closing under the EMAs, your next candle opening under and showing sell pressure. Volume wise, nothing to really report on other than this bearish divergence actually playing out. This right here was volume bearish divergence as we were going up. There was that big drop that cleaned that divergence out. Now we are consolidating, going sideways. This EMA right now is about to get crossed under by the 21 if we close the daily candle here or under, and that will initiate the next leg down. So today's candle is very important. Are we gonna hold this low at 19.7 or 19.6, or are we gonna be testing that lower level and breaking down and looking for lower or not? We will find out. Let's see. If price action does climb above 21 EMA, the next level of resistance is right here at 21.6. So until we really get above 21.6, there's no real talk of higher, because yeah, we can go to the next level of resistance at 23.5, but all of these levels would still initiate a lower high for a head and shoulder formation. Neckline being right here at around, let's say, 18.6. And then once you lose 18.6, you should initiate this measured move going 1-to-1. So maybe like all the way down here somewhere. We have it in another video, so feel free to go check it out. I just wanted to do this really quickly because we are having a live session for the members, and we're going to go over some very, very minute time frame details for scalps. Here's your 4 hour on Bitcoin. As you can see, a lot of euphoria and FOMO buying up the top, and then all this was just looking like a distribution top into resistance. As we were coming up to this top, lower volume, and then boom, you got the one person who decided, oh, you know what, enough is enough, and dropping down the market right there. Under all the EMAs, and we're still fighting the lowest EMA, 21 EMA, losing all the other higher EMAs. So we are basically in a bearish stance, but we're at support. So this 19.5, 19.6 level is support. We are wicking above it. I don't know if we are going to show a move up from here. So from here, we can go to 20,500 and test for higher. Or we're going to go sideways and test these wicks around 19.6, 19.7 and make everyone hold their breath. Since now the FOMO and the excitement of the ETH merge is over, this can become a sell the news event and roll on down. So this is what I'm waiting to see as we open into New York exchange the market. Will people step up knowing that ETH merge is over now, and now retail can step into this asset as a speculative player or not? Or are they going to just keep their money on their cash in their hand because interest rate is around, I think, September 21st to 22nd? And if projections are correct and we hit 0.75 or get a surprise 1.0 increase, you will see that being priced into the market accordingly. And as of right now, is it priced in? I don't think so. I think as of right now, we have just priced in the CPI, and the next interest rate is starting to be priced in, hence why we had this huge sell-off. I think we're gonna get another leg down, and a whole time I've already told you guys my fib time analysis, what I'm waiting for. So if you know, I'm waiting for late October for the full spot entry. And if it doesn't come in October and we actually can prove that, hey, the bottom is in and we actually break above, let's say like 25K, which is our previous resistance on Bitcoin, then okay, fine, I can let it go, find the support pullback, and then long it there. But to rush in right now and then drop another literally like $6,000 to $8,000 is not going to be a nice entry in the long run if that does happen. So I'm going to be patient, and I'll let price action tell me what's going on. So on the 4 hour, we're waiting to see, are we going to close above 20,300 to go to 20,500 to look for resistance there? Or are we going to go sideways here and then drip down to 19.5, 19.6 and see if the support is there? And if no one is excited to buy and we actually roll on over that level, well, you know that 18.6 is your last level, then 17.6. So we have $1,000 increment of levels of support until the bottom goes out. All right, so get ready, guys. Today's gonna be a fun day. All right, let's go to a daily on Ethereum. The big shell queen over here. So here's the daily on Ethereum. Setting up a little bit of a distributive head and shoulder situation, lower highs. Yeah, we had the inverse head and shoulder situation show up, but we're kind of testing that as a failure right now. We are under all our EMAs on a daily stance. Doesn't look healthy. Right now, today, if we can close sideways without taking out the low of yesterday, that's good. We can look for continuation sideways and up. If we take out the low of yesterday, we have another level of support at that 1480 to 1500, and then 1420 level. After 1420, we got our 1200 to 860. I think it was 860. Yeah, it was like 8 to 900. Just call it that range. 1200 to 8 to 9. So once we come down here, the goal is to find support right about here at 12 to 1300. If you can't hold 12 to 1300 and we actually break under like this 1350 to 1250 range, well, you're testing this order block, and then if we can't find the support and we break it, it is what it is. Price action is price action. But more than likely, I would look for some support over here between 1250 and 350, and then we have to come back and see, is it really that weak that support is not there and we break down. After all of the merge of FUD and FOMO, after it all being cleaned out and cleared, why would we not bounce on support? I mean, yeah, we could test support, but I mean, why would we not use the support and then continue up? Unless there's something else going on with ETH that we are not all aware of, because as of now, all the red flags should be gone. Even the miners can't mess with ETH by not mining anymore, or stockpiling the supply and not selling it on the market, causing the price to go up. So there's no more miner shenanigans either now. So yeah, you just gotta wait and see. The tokenomics of ETH is changing. We have to see exactly where they are gonna be going with all of the future development, because all of those ETH killers, I was actually talking to one of my members who was trying to take along on Solana. The way I look at it right now, every single ETH killer that was pumped up by market cap thinking they were going to destroy ETH and take its market cap, well, now you all either put up or shut up, because now ETH has just proven it can move forward and eat your lunch, because ETH has the most money, most development, and now has the upgrade hoping to get to, what was it, like 100,000 transactions per second? So, Solano, DOT, Matic, Polygon, all of those coins that were supposed to be alternative to ETH's transaction problem, well, all that money is going to go somewhere, right? Why would a developer develop on a coin that has less funding than ETH when he can just do it on ETH and have how many people compete for his skills? Solidity developers are probably the most paid out of all other developers. So just think of it logically. I'm just telling you because I am still a coder. I do front end coding, so I understand the demand for certain languages for coding. I used to mine. I stopped mining just like a year ago or two ago. No, about a year and a half ago when I came to Puerto Rico. And I sold over 50 RX 588 gigs, and I was mining Ethereum. So it's something that even you got to consider, like, what are, the miners are no longer having an incentive now, right? So they're going to go mine one of these other coins. So maybe they mine Polygon or Raven coin or original Ethereum Classic. If they want to mine another coin, well, then maybe developers will go to that coin. But if there's no miner support or support from funding for the developers, like from institutions developing their own stuff on that chain, and they're paying for it, like, if that stuff is not there backing up the coin, I don't know why anyone would want to invest in the coin. It's no longer you don't need like Cardano speed or hex coin speed for making transactions, because no one wants to transact on a shit coin. If your coin has no credibility or value, why would anyone want to risk holding their anything on that chain, for that matter? Why would you trust any chain other than Bitcoin or Ethereum? I mean, that doesn't make sense to me. I understand crypto is all about like freedom of choice, but if you're a multi-billionaire, you're not going to park your money in any other coin other than Bitcoin or Ethereum, because your footprint is too big. So you just don't have the liquidity. So this is another reason why I don't like trading any other coins other than Bitcoin or Ethereum, because there is no liquidity to get in and out of large trades. Even if I'm on 100x leverage with like $100 million trade, how easy is it going to be for me to take profit at certain times? As soon as I take 1 million, it's going to like make a candle. Like everyone will see what's going on. Hence why you see these distribution tops and accumulation, why I call accumulation bottoms. So this is something that you guys can ask the dev of your favorite coin. What do they plan on doing now to compete with ETH? And then if you get the response you like, then move forward. All right, so here's ETH on a 4-hour. As of right now, market is about to open in 10 minutes, so I'm going to push this video out as fast as possible, but looks weak. We're pushing down. Pre-market of USA is also dripping down. Now all the people who were buying into this ETH upgrade are longed or got money in there are basically longs are trapped. Last leg right here, here's one leg, here's the last accumulation consolidation, and we're about to leg right back down right now. And if we leg down hard enough, market maker is going to capture all this money here that's tied up all in this level and just drop it down to this level here, 1250. And anyone here at whatever leverage, after $300-400 drop, they're gonna feel it. So, and then from here you can look for support and then rally up and break this resistance. But this first attempt failed, the second attempt might fail, the third attempt will break in. So just be ready, guys. This is what I was trying to point out. Sorry for rambling. I have no say or care what you guys buy or trade long term. I can care less. I'm not here talking about investing for life. I'm a trader. I trade price action. I'll get in and out in a 15-minute candle. I could care less what the 5-year prospect is. I do look at that because I do want to invest in Ethereum long term. I do want to invest in Bitcoin long term. But all those other coins with their little promises of dreams and hopes, I can give a shit. I'll trade the price action. As you are FOMOing into it, I'm taking a short. As you are panic selling it, I'm taking a long on support. And I'm going to short at resistance, I'm a long on support, and that's what I'm going to do to your coin. I'm here to basically eat your arbitrage. That's what I'm going to do. But on these other coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum, you should expect only upward trends. If the crypto dream is real, it should be all uptrend and like, yeah, pullbacks to resistance and support, but only uptrend. If you want an example of what I mean about like it should look like what, let me give you my favorite example. Here's one. I'll give you a traditional stock. Okay, we were looking at Ethereum on a whatever time frame. Here, go to stock market trades. How much less? Go to a higher time frame. Let's just go to all. And this is kind of what I'm expecting Ethereum, Bitcoin to do. All right, this is what you call a good long-term investment. Okay, yeah, there's gonna be ups and downs if you zoom in, blah, 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 up and down, up and down, but steady, healthy trend up. Right now, if you're in Microsoft on a monthly level, you should be worried that this is gonna dump all the way to $210 soon. And then you can look for your support or your resistance. But yeah, that looks like it's gunning for this level, and volume is coming to a down. So you got like a month or two left of some downward pressure, and then maybe you'll get up. Yeah. Doesn't look good. This was not what I was showing you Microsoft for as an example, but what I'm trying to show you is if these tech stocks are about to get wrecked, I don't know why Bitcoin and Ethereum are going to get saved. So keep an eye out for the Fed meeting September 21, 22 for the interest rates. With interest rate increase, tech stocks get a beating, and this is setting up for a really, really nasty beating. So have a great day, guys. I hope this helps. If you have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out. Aside from that, please press the like button. Leave a comment. Just call me an idiot. I don't care. I just want you to get that YouTube algorithm excited to share my video. Aside from the like and subscribe, please press the bell button for notifications so you get the real-time updates. And I will talk to you soon. If you do want to talk to me throughout the day, feel free to join our Discord, which is in the description below. So many awesome traders there to laugh with, bounce ideas from, copy trade, whatever you prefer. Feel free. All right, guys, I will talk to you soon. Have a great day. Be safe.